Guys, hope you are doing very well. I'm here with our Tosa INU, our next generation of meme coin, a big, real Japanese Tosa INU. So Shiba Inu is nothing compared to Tosa INU. So let's go for this. Tosa Inu is a real dog. So just watch what Tosa Inu is doing with the tennis ball, just like a chewing gum. So she really likes it. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX. I'm bringing you every day the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin and DeFi, NFT stuff to keep you updated and educated about what's happening in this market. Let's share my screen and let's go dive deep in this. So please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and subscribe to the channel. And let's see what's going on the market. As you see, DOT is up 8%, VeChain up 5%, Qtum up 7%, Mana decentralized 4%, EOS 6%, XTX 12%, and also XRP is up 10%, Tron is running, and also BitTorrent up 13%, Clay 22%, Use at 14%, and we see CCXX is dumping, and also Shiba is dumping today. And as we are looking into Bitcoin, Bitcoin is holding really nicely at 55,000 US dollar and Ethereum at 3,600. So during the weekend, these are pretty nice movements what we are just witnessing here. If checking our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, you see that we are at 72. We are in the greed zone, and also yesterday we were in 74 and 76 the day before. And just remember that a week ago the index was at in the extreme fear category around 20, and now just shoot it up to the greed zone. But before that, just 2 weeks in the greed zone, but 3 months in the fear zone. And as you know, guys, the extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So I don't think that the market is due for a correction, but let's go dive in our first news is that Bitcoin eyes big 58,000 US dollar resistance as new data shows hodlers acting to opposite to Q1. So hodlers acting opposite than Q1. Okay, so investors are hodling into all-time highs this time, not selling, as was the case toward the end of Q1. So that's a really nice statement here, that hodlers are hodling and not selling. So this is one of the most important things that can support Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high. Let's quote, not surprising to see this 58,000 area providing some resistance, as there is a good amount of overhead supply there from early this year. Okay. So 53,000 would be a logical area to buy a dip. So guys, if Bitcoin would go down to 53,000, that would be a logical decision to buy the dip, and that would be the previous local high, in September, and that would be a kind of resistance. So it's a good buying zone, because if Bitcoin would drop there, then it's not so not too much chance to drop from there. So that would be a good buying opportunity, but also if dropping further than the next these levels. So let's go forward and see what do we have here. Hodlers or lost, BTC hits 9 months high. Bitcoin is nearing 6,000. Data from on-chain analytic firm Glassnode shows that proportion of the BTC supply that is either hodler or lost for good is its highest in 9 months. So maybe these coins are just hodled for long term, or these coins were lost. Hodled or lost coins now total 7.2 million BTC. So more than 7.2 million BTC are lost or hodled for a long time. So this is quite interesting. The metric's previous peak was Q4 2020, just before the main phase of the bull took off after BTC USD passed previous all-time highs of 20,000 US dollar. So this is definitely huge. So it seems that the lost coins, the amount of lost coins just increasing and increasing. Our next piece of news is that pro-crypto senator Cynthia Lummis discloses up to 100,000 BTC purchase. Yes, congratulations that Cynthia Lummis holding this amount of Bitcoins. The lawmaker from Wyoming has been a vocal supporter of Bitcoin and blockchain technology in Congress. So that's good to see that she's holding this amount of Bitcoin, 100,000 US dollar. So it's not a too much amount, but an amount that it's significant to mention. It's worth to mention, and also I think this is a good example that other senators can follow. Let's go forward. Bitcoin could surge to this near six-figure price by year end, according to crypto exchange Kraken. So this is from Kraken, and let's see what Kraken is saying about this. As positive of quarter of Q3 ended up being for BTC, it ought to be noted that Q4 has historically been a BTC's best quarter with an average and median return of 120 and 58% respectively. A BTC quarter and closing price of 43,800, a 120% return in Q4 2021 would put BTC at roughly 96,000 US dollar. Shifting focus to October, one will see that the month is typically more volatile than September. Average annualized volatility of 66% versus 61%, and BTC tends to finish 13% higher when looking at historical average. Thus, October has the promise of being a favorable month for BTC. One should take heed to November and December being just a favorable for the bulls. So nothing special, but this is a bull case for me. Bitcoin will hit this six-figure price after blowing past 63,000 US dollars, says crypto analyst Michael van den Poppe. So this is from Michael, and quote, so at this point, I think that given the breakout that we have got the level that we should be watching in the range low that we have been acting as previously to. So this entire region that we have got on the lows here, which is that area between 49,800 to 51,000. So almost this price range around 50,000. If we are going to get a correction, that it's a level that for now is the crucial level for me. Because if we are going to lose that zone, I think we are going to quickly ban out this level around 47,000 and drop all the way back toward here 40 and 44,000. So I don't think so, but okay. So we got some sideways action, got to watch the all-time high, get down sideways action, big breakout, and then we get into the final phase in which you can simply copy paste this entire run 15 to 63,000 toward that one that we have about 63,000, and then we probably assume that we are going to get towards 250,000 or higher. So this is definitely huge. Check out this article, guys. So let's check what Bitcoin is doing. As we see, Bitcoin formed this bull flag, broke out from this bull flag, but now it seems to be that consolidating. And also, if we are seeing this 4-hourly pattern, that is something that Bitcoin wants to form a W pattern, but it's getting weak if reaching this neckline. So I don't think that it's a confirmed W. So definitely should watch out what Bitcoin is doing. But I definitely think that Bitcoin can just correct to this 1.618 Fibonacci levels, and then shooting up from there. Let's check what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is also looking strong around 3,600, and then consolidating in this wedge. This is a kind of bullish wedge, and we see how we'll just broke out from here. Most of the altcoins looks really bullish for me as Bitcoin consolidating, altcoins starting to pump, and we'll see if this layer 1, 2 solutions, layer 2 solutions, and DeFi NFT solutions will continue to pump. Also, we see XRP just broke up from this bullish wedge, from this bullish pattern, and a nice upward movement from here. So almost 20% profit if you did this trade. So this is for today. Let's check what Shiba is doing. Shiba formed this kind of consolidation pattern. I think maybe Shiba will go down, and also my resistance zone is this 2050 zone. So we'll see if this will act as a resistance or not. So definitely watch out. But as I mentioned, we have here with our Tosa INU. Hey, we have this Tosa INU here. So the next big thing will be definitely the Tosa INU coin. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Please check out what CorionX did in this week, this partnership with LuxFi and also with TeslaFan, and then you will see how we are progressing, and also we have a new update from our ambassador Jeff, and we have nice things about this LuxFi partnerships, and also you can win a LuxFi NFT. Just buy a lottery ticket and you will get you are paying just for one, but you will get free lottery ticket, and you will triple your chances to win NFTs. So hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow. Smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and subscribe.